Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're diving into the world of crypto in 2025, you might need to transfer your assets on Robinhood. Today, I'm walking you through the entire process step by step. It's super straightforward, but always remember to double check everything to keep your funds safe. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have the latest Robinhood app installed on your phone or access it via their website. Once you're logged in with your account credentials, head over to the main dashboard. Look for the Crypto tab, it's usually front and center. This is where all your digital assets are listed. Next, select the specific cryptocurrency you want to transfer. For example, if it's Bitcoin or Ethereum, tap on it to open the details page. Now, find the Transfer or Send option. It might be under a menu like Actions, or directly on the asset page. Robinhood's interface is pretty intuitive, but if you're new, take a second to explore. Once you're in the transfer section, you'll need to enter the destination details. This could be another wallet address, like one from Coinbase or a hardware wallet. Double-check the address to avoid any mistakes. Crypto transfers are irreversible. You'll also see fields for the amount you want to send, so enter that carefully. Before you hit confirm, Robinhood will show you a summary of the transaction, including any fees. In 2025, fees might vary based on network congestion, so keep an eye on that. If everything looks good, go ahead and confirm. You'll get a confirmation notification, and your crypto should be on its way. And that's it, you've successfully transferred your crypto on Robinhood. Remember, the crypto market can be volatile, so always stay informed and secure your accounts with strong passwords and two-factor authentication. If you found this helpful, give it a like, subscribe for more tech tips, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.